Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at Walmart for the week. Tons of amazing deals. I got all of these items for free and made almost $6 buying it all. And of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. If you are brand new to couponing, I try to make this as simple as possible for you. But if you are looking for even more in-depth tutorials, I have complete tutorials on a number of the different cashback apps that I will be talking about today, and I will link those for you down in the video description box. I also did something kind of fun this week that I haven't done in a while. I went CVS shopping, and so I'm hoping to bring you some CVS deals every week as long as I see that there is interest in those videos. So check out my CVS haul that I posted yesterday, as well as my Walgreens haul if you have not already. Okay, so let's talk about non-food deals first. There has been an Ibotta offer for $2 back on Bic products for a really long time now. And I've been looking for that 97-cent whiteout. My store is just never gonna get it in stock. So I did a different deal finally. I grabbed these Bic Pens. They're $1.57 each. And then I got back $2 on Ibotta, making these just 57 cents per box. Now I went ahead and grabbed these, even though I normally don't pay for pens, because I had an Ibotta bonus that I was working toward. So I thought it was worth the price that I paid, plus I can donate it to the school. While I was at the store, I saw these big old Method hand soaps on clearance for $2.27, and there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making these just 27 cents. But even better, when I submitted my receipt to Brand Club, this is one of their brands as well. So I got additional money back on Brand Club. So that app, if you aren't using it yet or you don't know anything about it, definitely check out my recent tutorial on it, because it has quickly become my favorite app that I am using, because I'm able to score brands that we love and buy all the time completely free and make money buying them. And I'll be telling you about some of those deals here in just a little bit. But check out your store, see if they have these on clearance, because it's only 27 cents, plus it gets you another Ibotta offer. The Persil. Okay, my store sells these small packages at $4.97. There was a $2 coupon inside the package, not inside this package, inside a package I had bought before. And so I was able to use that coupon. There's also a $2 coupon in one of the recent inserts that I'll put up here on the screen, making this a really great deal. And y'all know this is my favorite detergent. Okay, I thought this was a fantastic deal, and I'm excited to try it. The Twinings tea, that's the super blends. These are priced at $4.28. Now, I paid $4.28 at the register. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got $3 back. I also submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app and got $1 back there, making the final cost of this product just 28 cents. Now, another easy freebie is on these seafood snackers. These are priced at $1, and Ibotta had an offer for $1 back with a seafood purchase, so that made this item completely free. Now, another Ibotta offer, y'all know I've been looking for these, and I love these. These are $1.78. My Ibotta offer was only 25 cents, but this is a product that I would have bought anyway. So it made it just $1.53 for me, plus got me another offer towards that $5 bonus this week. Mine was $5 for 10 offers. So I had a great Ibotta bonus this week. I also grabbed the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Oatmeal. It's priced at $2.98. There's an Ibotta offer for $1.50 back, making the final cost just $1.48 for this item. There was a deal I posted to Instagram last week, I believe, for these Tomato Love, the Red Gold Tomato Love products. These are 82 cents each. You want to grab 2 of them. That's a total cost of $1.64. Then you can submit your receipt to the Checkout 51 app to get $1 back, making them 64 cents for both, or just 32 cents each. I am aware that there was an offer on another app, but with Checkout 51, it actually says you can't combine it with any other rebate, so I do not, making my final cost just 32 cents each, which I think is a great price. Now, I saw this one this morning, so in all honesty, I just pulled this out of my fridge. I didn't grab it at Walmart this morning, but these are $1.98, and clearly I like it because it was in my fridge. There's a Swag Bucks offer for $2 back on this, making it completely free. So if you like using Swag Bucks, check your app and see if you have that offer, because you could snag this salad dressing completely free after your Swag Bucks. Now, if you're brand new to Swag Bucks, grab it using my link down in the description box, because you'll get an additional $3 back when you join. But I also do have a complete tutorial on Swag Bucks that will walk you through exactly how to use it. Speaking of tutorials, the rest of the deals that I'm going to talk about involve an app called brandclub, which, like I said, is one of my newly favorite apps that I have been using. So let me talk you through some of those deals. Okay. So, Crystal Light. I knew there was an Ibotta rebate on Crystal Light. The rebate on Ibotta is 75 cents. But I noticed it was also a brand on brandclub. So I took one of the surveys, and that survey gave me $3. But in order to get that $3, I had to then go buy one of the products. So I bought the Crystal Light, priced at $2.68. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta. I got that $3 from the survey, making this completely free and $1.07 moneymaker. Now, I did the same thing with Cheerios. So the heart box of Cheerios, the family size, is $3.98. There was an Ibotta offer for $1 back. I had done a Brand Club survey for $2.75. When I purchased this product, it unlocked that $2.75, meaning I got $3.75 total back between the two apps, making this box of cereal just 23 cents. I got the Ramen Noodles again because these are only 36 cents. And I had taken another survey on Brand Club to give me $2.75, making this item completely free and a $2.39 moneymaker. If you haven't already signed up for Brand Club, don't forget to grab it using my link, because you'll get an additional $10 when you sign up. I grabbed the Del Monte stewed tomatoes again. I got this last week. I grabbed it again this week because I had done another survey. 88 cents for the can. I got back $2.75 from Brand Club, making it completely free and $1.87 moneymaker. And the Yoplait yogurt. This is only 64 cents. I had done a survey for $2.50 with Brand Club, making this completely free and $1.86 moneymaker. And those moneymakers help cover the cost of the rest of my groceries, which is amazing. What else? I think the last thing I grabbed were these Biore nose strips, which I think these are just so fun. They're $5.88 though, which is kind of expensive, but there was a $2 coupon from one of the inserts that I used, making it $3.88 at the register. I had taken a Brand Club survey that gave me $3 back, making this just 88 cents. Like I said, I hit that midweek moneymaker bonus, giving me $5 back on Ibotta. So that means everything came out to be free and almost a $6 moneymaker. So amazing deals at Walmart this week. Now, like I said, if you are brand new, and I know based on the comments, a lot of people are new to couponing, don't get overwhelmed. I do have complete tutorials on every app that I just mentioned, and I promise I walk you through very, very slowly how to use each of those apps. So definitely check those out. They are linked down in the video description box. As always, stay tuned to the end of the video where I will show you pictures of the items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. Hope y'all are having a great week. Thanks.